Now, traditionally, folders have always been a great way of organizing your files. But have you ever wanted to see your files in a sort of a flat view without the interference of folders? And this is becoming increasingly popular among people, is to have this flat appearance of all your files so that you can easily filter and sort and find what you're looking for. Now, what you can do in SharePoint, and this is if you've been allowed to do this, is you can create views. This All Documents button that we looked at earlier as far as list, compact list, tiles, and all documents also allows you to create a new view. So I'm going to click that option there. Now what we do is we give the view a name. So I'm going to call it View with No Folders. And I basically give it a name and I click create. I want to keep it as a public view. So the idea here is public views can be visited by anyone with access to this list. If you don't want it public, then it's only for your eyes only. You can have it as a list, a calendar, a gallery, but I think leave it as list. So I'm just going to go create. All right, so now the whole idea is we want to get rid of this whole folders appearance. So we're going to click on edit, view with no folders, edit the current view. That's what I want to do. And then what I'm going to do here is folders with no view. I'm actually going to make it that it's a flat view. And how I do this is I scroll down to the folders options and I hit the plus to expand it. And I want to show all the items without folders, so I choose this option here. Then if I scroll down a little bit more, I can click the OK button. And now what I've got is a list of all the files without the interference of any folders. So I can easily sort them, I can easily filter them, I can easily group the information without the interference of folders. Now, if I want to get back to how I was viewing it earlier, I just hit this drop down and say that I want to view all documents, and I'm back to how I was. But if I ever want to see the files without the interference of folders, then I can hit this drop down and say view with no folders. So think about creating different views and how you view your information. You can edit those, whatever view you've got chosen, and you can format the current view. So views are very, very handy.